Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and I am back from freaking the fuck out for the past 30 minutes. Holy shit! Let's just get into the analysis. We have Frozen confirmed for Kingdom Hearts 3. It is time. It is fucking time, ladies and gentlemen. It's over. It's time. I really wish I recorded my reaction. I was screaming at the top of my lungs. I'm so mad that this happened out of nowhere, but at the same time, I'm so happy. Like, let's just get right into the analysis. So let's just, oh, no. Let's just, start. Let's start this. So first we have, this quote: "The light is gathering together hearts driven by one oath, one purpose." Let's keep going. So we start off the trailer with Sora just bodying a Heartless right there, and this dude's cold. Oh no, I just realized I have that shit on. Let me turn that off. Raw footage, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, can I just turn that off? Yeah, off. Just turn that off. So this dude, Sora, is cold. This takes place right after Elsa done goofed big time. This game looking clean. So if you remember that scene from the movie where Elsa's running on the ocean and she's kind of just, there it is! Like, guys, it's happening. It's happening. Look at this game. It clean. It be clean. There's Anna, Sven, and Kristoff. There's Olaf. Olaf looks a little bit funky, but he looks great. The boy is looking clean. Everyone is looking clean. I am losing my shit. I literally can't do this. Look at the boy! Look! This man is bodying him! He is ready! This Keyblade transformation! Look! Oh my! It's so big! It's so beautiful! It's pretty! Oh my! And then Simba. There's also Simba. The boy is back. He's a summon. And then we got Monsters Inc. I can't with this. We got more Wreck-It Ralph. There it is. And then more Tangled, more, oh my god, Monsters Inc. again, and okay, this is stuff that's, and then Gummy Ships, so we see Gummy Ships, finally. I was really hoping we see this in the E3 trailer, and we got it, and, oh my god, and then Elsa just fucking bodies a Heartless, like it's nothing. Yo, like, guys, Frozen's in Kingdom Hearts 3. I don't even want to do an analysis. I just want to talk about it. I just want to talk about that this is happening. Because it's happening. Oh my god, it's happening. And then we got Herc, Olympus. Holy shit. Like, oh my god. And then more Toy Story. More of Toy Story. More Monsters Inc. New cutscene. Apparently Randall is in the game, but we haven't seen him yet. And then Rapunzel, looking clean. Rapunzel, my girl, you are looking cleaner than a baby wipe. I'm gonna have a fucking cardiac arrest, dude. I'm gonna have a goddamn cardiac arrest. Then we see this scene, and we see it not in full, but Ansem. Look at the boy, Ansem. And then Larxene. Larxene is back. She is going to be the organization member in the Frozen world. I called it. Larxene is back. Nobody believed me. Y'all suck a dick. Y'all can suck a fat one. Your boy was right. And then we have this. There's that weird Kingdom Key eye. Yo, and then we have Aqua, oh my god. And then we got Mickey, look at the boy Mickey. Like, he'd be trapped, Riku's hurt. Aqua has been Norded. She has been Xehanorted. She's a part of the 13 Darknesses, dude. I don't know how this happened, but it happened. So, what happens to Terra now? We don't fucking know. I don't know. I think, and then the release date. Yeah, we have a new release date. That's fine. It's just a slight delay. It's a month delay. I'm fine with that. I'm perfectly fine with that, by the way. But yo, guys, it's happening. Frozen's in Kingdom Hearts 3. This wasn't even an analysis anymore, dude. It just started off as one. Now it's just, Frozen is in Kingdom Hearts 3, okay? Like, oh my god, bruh. I'm about to lose my shit. You guys, I wish I recorded my reaction, but it happened during the Xbox conference, which I was watching because I was like, okay, I'll give Xbox a chance. I'm never sleeping on Xbox conferences again. I didn't expect that shit. Now, please, Square Enix have a trailer at the Sony press conference tomorrow as well. You said several trailers. Please, we will, like, Sony needs to have the biggest trailer. But I don't know. You kind of gave them you gave their competitors, like, the best fucking world right here to reveal. So, who knows? But, Frozen Frozen's in Kingdom Hearts 3. I'm happy. I'm gonna give everyone a hug tomorrow. I need a hug. I need to find people to hug right now. Frozen's in Kingdom Hearts 3, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm fucking done. May your heart be your guiding key. Subscribe and shit.